Hey there, coffee lovers. Logan here, professional barista for MajestyCoffee.com. Today we're here reviewing the E80 from Mahlkonig, going over its features and specs, and helping you decide if this is the right grinder for you. Let's get started. Alright, so let's begin by going over the specs of the E80 from Mahlkonig. This machine features the 80mm flat special steel burrs powered by that 845 watt motor, running about 1700 RPMs. With the E80 you can grind between 6 to 8 grams per second, and also the hopper up top will hold up to 4 pounds of espresso. To control that micrometric adjustment system, you have this really nice paddle up top here that easily slides back and forth to go finer or coarser. This comes with a series of numbers up top from 0 to 10 to allow you to lock in your espresso grind and recreate recipes. The menu on this machine is very similar to the GVW and very easy to control with the dial on the right and the 2 buttons on your left. On your left you do have that continuous dosing button here in case you need to add extra espresso on top of your portafilter. Down below that is another button that you can use when accessing the menu. Alright, so now let's show you what grinding a shot of espresso into a portafilter looks like, and keeping in mind the E80 uses a time dose. So once you have your desired time programmed into your menu, you can simply insert your portafilter, lock it into place, and grind your espresso like so. We have those nice pillowy, fluffy, and well-centered grounds here that will be very easy to tamp using our puck press down below. The combination of the E80 and the puck press provides a very consistent and nice tamp and overall grind. Alright, so let's show you that beautiful menu display and this dial on the side to show you how to flip through your different recipes and access the menu. Using that dial, you simply turn it to access your different recipes, and then to access the menu, you're going to double tap, and you can flip through the recipes, settings, service, statistics, and alerts and notifications. Using that bottom left button, you can exit out and go back to your main menu. Up top here, we also have that purge/continuous dosing button, which allows you to add a little extra espresso if you didn't quite meet your desired dose. You can program in multiple doses here and choose which icon you'd like so you can use different recipes. This machine also allows you to see the distance between your burrs up top here, which is a very useful feature for dialing in and adjusting your burrs. On the bottom here, it also has a sensor that will read the temperature within your machine, which is very helpful for knowing if your machine is getting too hot, which means you may want to allow for time for it to cool off or to use another grinder at this point. Above that, we also have that really nice stepless micrometric adjustment system, which is controlled by this simple paddle. We also have this really nice chute, which we can open and close using this paddle on the side. As standard with most Mahlkonig grinders, it's very easy to access your burrs for a nightly cleaning, as well as your chute is easily removable as well for cleaning and adjusting that up and down. So now let's discuss who would the E80 best serve. I would say this machine would best serve higher volume cafes, and especially folks who want to use and utilize those 2 features here, seeing the distance between your burrs and also the temperature of your machine. Using these 2 features will make it easier to dial in, calibrate your burrs, and also check on the heat and ensure you're not overheating your machine during your service. So I hope you were able to learn something new here today about the E80 espresso grinder from Mahlkonig. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. After that, head on over to MajestyCoffee.com, where our friendly customer support is standing by via live chat or phone to help you make the right decision. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time.